You press this for park, and you move this up for reverse, down for drive, one more for sports mode. So basically it just goes between drive and sports mode. You can hear multiple clicks, but it seems like just one click, one smooth click, and it switches pretty fast and easy. Lower or raise this steering wheel. It's this button here. Press down, it lowers. Press up, steering wheel rolls up. Nice. Okay, so I've connected my Pixel 5, and it connects real fast, real easy, and you'll see it on the display that the music track is also showing on the dashboard display. Not bad, like it. And I wanted to pop open the hood, but again, it's raining again. Every time I try to do something, it's raining. Dang it. This looks like it's just an extra compartment where you can keep whatever stuff you need in here. Driver's side. Reach in, pull out. Instead of keeping it in the glove compartment, if you have your whatever, I guess. Here's the buttons to inflate the back support or deflate, inflate, and air. Release the air, I guess. Or, oh no, it's lumbar support, moving the position. Nice. Alright, so it started to rain, and I'm out here having fun shooting some drone shots and everything. But you gotta love the interior lighting that comes on. And I love this old style look to this for the temperature controls in the rear seat. And then you have USB-C and a 12 volt. Plenty of leg room. Feels pretty comfortable. Like that. Extra space. So definitely loving this. This just brings back old school vibes. So look at all the amount of control you're getting. Yep. I'm not really feeling any heat yet, but it's at... But I got it on high. Heat. Probably will take some time to heat up some heat sensors or whatever. This being a battery, I'm not using the heat from the combustion engines. But you gotta love this. I love this. So what's nice about this driver's assist is that while you're driving, I guess it reads the lane lines, and it'll turn red if you're too close to the lane line, and you feel a slight pressure next to well, not next to, but in the steering wheel. But all right, I'm gonna test it out real quick. I guess the lane is too not as bright, so it won't see it. All right, so now we're at a lane, and there you go. I guess driver assist actually turns on at a certain speed. So probably like 50 miles per hour. The green means you're good, you're in between. And let's see, I'll get a little bit close. Not yet. Looks senses that there is a car in front. It's getting kind of red there. Back to green. See that? It's forcing me into the center. Nice. Look at that. From the door. Love that. Once you release the latch, press that to release it a little bit more. Nice. Nice. Look at that. From the door. Love that.